I want to discuss today about the theoretic ratio of the complementary angles. First of all, we need to understand the complementary angle. The complementary those angles the complementary angles. So two angles are said to be complementary. Complementary angles if their sum is 90 degree. Thus, if theta is one angle, then 90 minus theta degree, 90 minus theta is then complete 90 minus theta is complementary angle. In this manner, theta and 90 minus theta is theta and theta are complementary angle. In a right angle triangle, A, B, C is a right angle triangle where AB equal to 90 degree. Then if theta is C angle C theta degree, then angle A is 90 minus theta. In this manner, we can say theta and 90 minus theta are the complementary angle, because angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. We know the sum of all angles of a triangle is 90 degree, 180 degree, but angle B equal to 90 degree. In this manner, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 minus 90 degree equal to 90 degree. Angle A plus angle C equal to 90 degree. In this manner, in a given statement, two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. In this manner, angle A is the angle A and angle C are the complementary angles. Now, we want to we already know that the sine of theta equal to P upon sine of theta equal to P upon H. Here P equal to AB upon AC. We have already learned the ratio between the sides of a triangle will represent the trigonometric expression. Just say sine theta equal to AB. AB is the side of a triangle and AC is also a side of a triangle. AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. The relationship between the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse side will be represented by the sine theta. And another cos theta equal to BC upon AC. अब now and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. अब now we are using the complementary angle because theta sin theta is one angle and 90 minus theta is the complementary angle of theta. In this manner, sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta because 90 minus theta, in terms of 90 minus theta, the angle is A. 90 minus theta is angle A with respect to angle A. With respect to angle A will representing as a sine of 90 minus theta will represent a angle A with reference to angle A. With reference to angle A, the perpendicular side will be BC and hypotenuse side will be AC. In the given expression, BC upon AC will represent the cos theta. In this manner, BC upon AC, the relationship between the sides of the triangle will represent the cos theta. So in this manner, sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. In the same way, we are cos of 90 minus theta with respect to angle A. The base would be AB. AB upon hypotenuse is AC. Basically, AB upon AC will representing the sin theta. In the same way, whenever we are taking a tan of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus with reference to the angle A, perpendicular is BC and base is AB. BC upon AB is nothing but cot theta. The inverse of tan theta is cot theta. Here, the ratio AB upon BC will be representing the tan theta with reference to inverse of AB upon BC will representing the cot theta. Whenever we are exploring this, 1 BC upon AB means 1 upon tan theta. Nothing but 1 upon tan theta will representing the cot theta. In the same way, cosec 90 minus theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC, cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta. Sec of 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. And cot of 90 minus theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cot of 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Using this formula, we are solved some basic questions using this formula. We can solve some basic question of complementary angles. Just one question here. One question is, without using table, find the value of sin 20 degree minus cos 61 degree. कैसे निकालेंगे? Sin of 9. Find the value of this. Sin of 20 9 degree or cos 61 degree. Sin of 90 minus 61 equal 29 equal to क्या? 90 minus 61. The 29 is replaced by the 90 minus 61 minus cos of 61. Sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos 61 minus cos 61 equal to 0. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is question number 2 is prove that tan 1 degree into tan 2 degree into tan 3 degree into tan 89 degree equal to 1. कैसे प्रूव करना है? We already know that tan of 90 minus theta, tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, or cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta. LHS से tan 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree up to tan 89 degree. The tan of 1 degree को represent tan of 9. 89 tan of 90 minus 82, 88. Tan of 90 minus 87. Tan of 87, tan of 88, tan 89. Tan of 90 minus theta equal to cot 89, cot 88, cot 87. tan 87, tan 88, 89. Cot 89, tan 89 is 1. Cot 88, tan 88 is 1. And in place of tan 45 degree. So cot 89 or tan 89 is 1. In this minus that 1 10 cot 89 upon 1 upon 10 89 1 upon 10 88 1 upon 10 87 10 1045 1087 1088 1089 cancel out 1089 1088 cancel out 10 in this manner equal to 1 1045 equal to 1 proved। चौथा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। नंबर और देख रहे हैं 10 7 7 डिग्री 10 23 डिग्री 10 60 डिग्री 10 67 डिग्री 10 83 डिग्री 10 83 डिग्री इक्वल टू √3। क्या करा प्रूफ नेट प्रूफ करने का तो कुछ नहीं है, सारा कुछ वही है। 10 LHS 10 7 डिग्री 10 20 डिग्री इंटू 10 60 डिग्री 10 67 डिग्री 10 83 डिग्री 10 7 replace by 90 minus 83 equal to 7 7 is replaced by 90 minus 83 and 10 90 minus 67 into 23 is replaced by 10 90 minus 67 10 we already know 10 60 equal to √3 into 10 67 degree 10 83 degree 10 of 90 minus theta is cot 83 degree into 90 10 of 90 minus 67 cot 67 into √3 into 10 67 into 10 83 degree cot theta equal to 1 upon 10 theta 1 upon 10 83 degree into 1 upon 10 67 degree into √3 into 10 67 degree into 10 83 degree 10 83 10 83 cancels 10 67 10 67 equal to finally √3 proved। और एक दो क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं, सारा है ये चीज है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 prove that sin 50 degree plus theta minus cos 40 degree minus theta equal to 0। ये हमको प्रूव करना है, तो कैसे होगा वो देखते हैं। LHS sin of 50 degree plus theta minus cos 40 degree minus theta। अब हम ये जानते हैं कि LHS है साइन ऑफ 50 डिग्री प्लस थीटा इक्वल टू क्या है, कैसे कर सकते हैं, 90 माइनस 40 माइनस थीटा लिखेंगे तो हो जाएगा हमारा 50 प्लस थीटा, 50 प्लस थीटा हो जाएगा 90, 50 लाना है, ये इस एक्सप्रेशन को ऐसे लिखेंगे तो हमारा 50 प्लस थीटा हो जाता है, 90 माइनस 40 माइनस थीटा माइनस कॉस 40 डिग्री माइनस थीटा। साइन 90 माइनस थीटा क्या हो जाता है, क्लियरली नो, साइन 90 माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू कॉस थीटा। तो साइन ऑफ 90 माइनस थीटा कॉस 40 माइनस थीटा, 40 डिग्री माइनस थीटा माइनस कॉस ऑफ 40 डिग्री माइनस थीटा इक्वल टू 0 प्रूव्ड। दो चार क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं। अब ये देखते हैं, वो सारा तो हो गया कुछ, एक दो क्वेश्चन और कर लेते हैं। तेरा ये साइन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, साइन 3a इक्वल टू cos a minus 10 where 3a is acute angle, then and the value a। अब क्या है, अब हम क्या है कि साइन ऑफ 3a इक्वल टू कॉस ऑफ a माइनस 10, सोल्यूशन साइन ऑफ साइन ऑफ 3a मीन्स sin of 3a equal to 3a is replaced by 90 minus 3a equal to cos of a minus 10. Sin of 90 minus 90 is cos 90 minus 3a equal to cos of a minus 10. Cos both sides, so angle are equal. 90 minus 3a equal to a minus 10, and 90 plus 10 equal to a plus 3a, 4a equal to 100, a equal to 100 by 4 equal to 25 degree, a equal to 25 degree. Another question number 6. If 10 to a equal to cot a minus 21 degree, find the value of a. 10 of 90 minus 2a equal to cot of a minus 21. 10 of 99 to a, cot of 90 minus 2a equal to cot of a minus 21. 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 21, and 90 minus 20 plus 21 equal to 3a, equal to 1 upon 3, 3 9, 3 7 1 equal to 37 degree. A equal to 37 डिग्री. एक क्वेश्चन और देख लेते हैं फटाफट. वैसा ही है तो उसको नहीं करेंगे. सारा क्वेश्चन अगर वैसा ही है, एडिटिंग है, तो उसको नहीं करना है मुझे. फटाफट ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. If A, B, C are acute angles of triangle A, B, C, so that sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos of A by 2. Clearly we know solution. A plus B, angle A plus B plus angle C equal to 90 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree. In this manner, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 minus angle A. Now we divide the angle B plus C, angle B angle C by 2 equal to 180 minus angle A by 2. Angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to 90 minus angle A upon 2. And now we apply the sine theta in both sides. Sine of angle B plus angle C by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus angle A upon 2, means sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, cos A by 2. So sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos of A by 2 proved हो गया. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, जल्दी से कर लें इसको. If A and B is angle such that sin A बराबर cos B prove that A plus B into 90 degree. सोल्यूशन है sin A cos B. sin A equal to cos of 90 minus B. sin A cos of 99 sin cos of 90 minus theta sin 90 minus B इसलिए A equal to 90 minus B, A plus B equal to 90 root. Thanks for watching this video.